Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina, and here is my finished diamond painting from Victoria's Moon. It is absolutely gorgeous. I just love it, and I had a lot of fun doing it. Sorry for the glare, but look how shiny it is. That's how shiny it is. It is just absolutely beautiful, and the detail is just like look at the mountain of sand here, and you know, the shadows and everything. It's just gorgeous. I think if I were ever to do another one, I would do a smaller one because this one was quite large for my first one. It was, oh, I forget what it was. It was 80, let me see. Here's my little key. It was a 50, so 50 this way and 85 up and down. And that is it inches, I think? Yeah. So I have half of, even a little more half of than the wax left. And I have my pen here, that one. And I have this one. And I have my tweezers. Oh, these are so awesome. These are so helpful. And then I have my little tray. And then I have all these little diamonds left. Like, I could probably do another one. Look at that. Lots of them left. And yeah, I had fun doing it. Thank you, Victoria's Moon, for the diamond painting. And yeah, I just really enjoyed it, and the quality is just amazing. I'm going to take it to Michael's and have it framed, so you know, I can put it up in my living room. I love this purple down here. Excuse me. My living room has purple accents, so this will be perfect. And it's got like the clouds, the details there. Oh, I just love it. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. And I will link Victoria's Moon on the description box. So yeah, go and take a look. Beautiful, beautiful diamond paintings, and lots of fun. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.